Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Manoj here. In today's video, we are going to see about the free courses which will help you to learn about ChatGPT, master how to use ChatGPT and save a lot of time as well as money. Yes, let's get into the video. So first, let's understand a quick intro about what is ChatGPT. So ChatGPT is nothing but an AI chatbot, which is an LLM, large language model. A large set of data is trained, and it is an intelligent chatbot which will become more intelligent when more data, that is, more people start using it, right? And many people are using it in their day-to-day life to save a lot of time and also be more perfect in work. So chat gpt can be used for copywriting, content writing, proofreading, and even interview preparation, writing resume, and much more. So we'll see some of the free courses which will help you to learn about ChatGPT and also give better prompts to ChatGPT. So what is a prompt? A prompt is nothing but an instruction which you give to ChatGPT, right? When you search on Google, you type a search query, but when you talk with ChatGPT, you give in terms of prompts. A prompt can be an instruction, a question, right? Example would be, hey ChatGPT, act as an interviewer. I'm interviewing for a developer role, or I'm interviewing for a product manager role, and it will give you a list of questions that an interviewer might ask, right? You can also say, hey ChatGPT, here is my resume, proofread it, or let's say identify if there are any grammatical mistakes, reframe it, and much more, right? So I've curated a list of resources for you, a free courses with certification which will help you to master ChatGPT. ChatGPT for beginners by Great Learning. So this is an awesome course. It starts from basics and it's mainly focused on beginners, where it teaches how to use ChatGPT interface, prompt generation, some email communication prompts, summarization prompts, suggestion prompts, career path, and much more. So it also covers lot of applications where you can use ChatGPT, right? So in nowadays we have lot of content, right? Let's say there's a blog which you want to read and there are multiple blogs. You can just copy paste them in ChatGPT and ChatGPT will summarize it for you. And the second course in our list is ChatGPT Crash Course by Class Central, and it's a YouTube video and that has been summarized as courses by Class Central, right? It's a very beginner friendly course where it majorly focus on how do you as a beginner will use ChatGPT. It tells about how to use prompts, like how you can use to find errors or debug your code, summarization, how you can use to write cover letters, resume, and much more. And the next course in our list is ChatGPT full course. It has automate useful professional tasks using OpenAI ChatGPT and includes 10 projects, right? So this is a very useful course, and here the instructor talks about some of the top 10 applications, kind of smaller projects using ChatGPT, right? Automate your work performance report, automate planning your daily schedule and meeting, prioritize tasks, optimize your LinkedIn projects, and much more. Write a cover letter, automate communication with B2B external vendors. So this is a very useful course as it covers 10 projects which you can build using ChatGPT. And this is a very awesome course, Deep Learning AI, and it's completely free and it has deep learning certification too. It's taught by Andrew Ng, right? Who is the founder of Deep Learning AI. And this course majorly focus on for engineers and developers, right? How you can use ChatGPT for engineering, like how you can write better code, develop better applications, etc. So it covers majorly topics like summarizing, inferring, transforming text, expanding, and much more. Next is next course is by University of Michigan and Coursera, ChatGPT Teach Out, right? This course covers, it's about 6 hours and it covers multiple modules like what is AI, what is ChatGPT. It starts from the basic and also tells how ChatGPT uses continuous learning and pros and cons of ChatGPT human like responses. And then they also show some examples like solving a mathematical problem, programming, ethical versus, okay, what are the limitations of ChatGPT? Is it ethical to use ChatGPT? What are the regulations, data privacy, and much more? So this is a very good course as it covers multiple topics from beginner to advanced topics like what are the limitations of ChatGPT, and also related to regulations, ethical, and like if we use the content of ChatGPT, what are the problems we can have, etc. And they have also provide some of the readings which you can read, right? How to write good prompts, how you can practice using ChatGPT. Next is a prompt engineering for ChatGPT by Coursera. And here, if you see, this is a course which is specifically focused on prompt engineering. So as I told, prompt is nothing but an instruction to you give to ChatGPT. Better your prompt is, the better the answer from ChatGPT would be, right? So just an example, if I say ChatGPT, write me a social media post on a topic like, okay, write me a social media post on the launch of how to write better prompts. It will write content but not so good. Instead, you can make it more awesome, right? You can say, imagine you are a copywriter with 6 years of experience where you have worked for big companies like Google. Now write me a social media post. Now it might provide a better output in some cases, right? You can experiment them. So here they have told several examples and how you can write better prompts, and they have covered several topics related to prompt engineering. Next, you have Udemy courses, two free Udemy courses, ChatGPT prompt engineering. So here they have also given you 200 plus prompts example which you can readily use. Next course is ChatGPT for beginners, the ultimate use cases for everyone, right? So let's say if you are a student, you can use it for several purposes, right? And this is a course which will help you to understand all the general use cases and on how you can use ChatGPT in your day-to-day life, right? Like how use ChatGPT in your meal prep, etc. Right? Speed up your content creation process. How you can create multiple business streams. Let's say you don't have any business idea, but you want to start a business, then you can ask ChatGPT to generate business ideas for you. So yeah, these are the courses. All links are attached in the description. So you can enroll in these courses for free, and they also give you a certificate. Some of the courses give you a certificate. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And do share this video with friends who want to save time with ChatGPT and get their work done faster. Thank you and have a great day.